in your mouth. Brainwash, fuck your heart and shut your ears as loud like ravers in Las Vegas.
People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people.
Me pray every time I feel can't do no different. Swear me have a win, that's why I'ma try again.
So people, welcome back to my channel, people. So everybody know Meg the Stallion and Cardi B recently dropped a song called WAP. If you haven't listened to it already, people, please go right ahead and take a listen. Just don't do it around kids or, people underage. Listen to the dirty version, don't listen to the clean version.
Bucket in a mouth, put this wet and gushy. Give me everything you got.
People, they released a song and it has a lot of views. I think over 40-something million views in 2 days. I listened to clean version and I listened to dirty version. And guess what, people? Me not like none. Yeah, people, me not like none of the song them, me not gonna lie. They released it a couple days ago and it's getting a lot of feedback. Good, both good and bad. But my feedback is I know something that I would have listened. It's not something that I would play in the car on a regular while driving. Yeah, I know something that is, to me, catchy. You know them hit song there, when you play them, you know it's alright. Over and over you go play this in the car. This is not one of them. And with Cardi B and Meg linking up, I think them are gonna drop a banger, like two of them known, for drop hit songs. This one just wasn't it. To me, it was not it. But you don't know, with every hip-hop song, there always comes a remix in the Jamaican version. You see me? And guess who remixed the song? None other than World Boss. So the song, Cartel remixed the song. Cartel have that good Wi-Fi in a jail, cause Jano, the song just dropped and him fling a remix for the people. I'm not gonna lie. Once it's Jamaican and you know it's Cartel I go fling some lyrics tonight. And Cartel song I can tolerate it, cause me understand it. And you know how Cartel stare. Anything Cartel touch, it turns to gold. And this was one of them. This was one of them, me not gonna lie, people. This was definitely one of those ones where me not like the original, but theme remix, yeah, me like it.
Come in your mouth. Brainwash, fuck your heart and shut your ears as loud like ravers in Las Vegas.
It just ran Jamaican and everything about it just scream yardy. So yeah, people, that's the one me like. So people, I'm not me not review music, but me listen to music, and I don't know, the thing there was like some lines in there directed towards Alkaline and the MVP camp. If I'm mistaken, I apologize, but people, go check it out, listen to it, listen to the lyrics, and me know you're not gonna hear certain things directed towards Alkaline. And this remix, Cardi B actually reacted to it as well and was excited, because everybody know, say, Cartel are one of Cardi B's big artists. Like, that's her favorite dancehall artist, because she loved that, that Spice song, the song with Spice and Vybz Kartel. That's probably one of her favorite songs. She always sing that in her stories and thing, people.
Every man grab a girl,
And every girl grab a man.
The man dropped this on a Sunday. Yo, people, me not gonna lie, go check it out. Tell me what you think about it. It's very raunchy on this Sunday. It's very loud, very explicit on a Sunday. That's why I'm waiting till the evening for drop it. Could have drop it Sunday morning. People, just leave in the comment section what you think and let me know what you think about the song. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Big up the world boss. Alright, mad.
Big out your belly. Ram that like free fi come in. Ya bad girl shelly. I'll shape up your boom boom.